This is Illusion 6540. Let's do the thing. I must have blocked this. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. It's a 2-box break. Here we go. Oh, Panthers oversold. Let me do a quick refresh for you. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, wow. Okay. 1 second. It has gone -2. Let's find out who's in first. Sean, nice card. Hey. The first one in was, and thank you, Mr. Cabone, for letting me know. Jordan PK got in. Matthew and Robert, I'm refunding. Mr. Cabone's already let me know, Maggie. That's old news, son. Son. What? But yeah, so Matthew Woodard and Robert both cheeky refund, which means that Jordan PK got in. ROPK. All right, 5 times. Here we go. Illusion 6540. Let's do this. Oh. Oh Lord. Jags giveaway, so let's remove the Jags from the list 5 times. Here we go. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Congratulations to the Baltimore Ravens. 5 times. Ravens on top. Caw. Someone just punched at Bailey in the YouTube. It's very worth it. Baltimore are with Dale Wright. Yes, he is. Oh, Bailey. He has just absolutely decimated you there, son. All right, here we go with Illusions. Let's get loose, Yons. 3 left in Mosaic Hobby Basketball. 8 left. Paul Mason. What do we think? What is Oh God. Oh. All right. Patrick Mahomes, Jamar Chase, Travis Etienne Jr. And we open up with Justin Herbert, nice, 99. And a Najee Harris Mystique. I am Pat Freeman, Allen Robinson, Emir Smith Marset. Derrick Henry auto trophy collection to 25. That's pretty nice. I was thinking a bit of DH, if you don't mind. Clear shots of Darius Leonard for the Colts. Gronkowski. Ian Book, Aaron Rodgers. For the Tampa Bay to 249, it is Jalen Darden. Jamar Chase Mystique. So scandalous. Carson Wentz. Devonta Smith, Josh Allen, and Myles Gaskin. Just a 499. That's a very sticky face-up. And Shining Stars, Dalvin Cook. So, what's everyone else been up to? Daniel Jones, Trey Lance, J.K. Dobbins. First Impressions auto to 299, Davis Mills. Darren Waller, Shining Stars. Tyler Wallace, Chase Claypool, Rashad Bateman. And Jewel, rookie idols of Javonte Williams and Terrell Davis. Mac Jones Mystique, number 2, 299. Nice one there for the Patriots. Oh boy. Sam Darnold. Kenny Nwangwu, Brandon Ayak. Carson Wentz to 30. Oh, geez, that's a beautiful card. I mean, for the Colts, it's Carson Wentz, but geez, that's a nice colorway. And a Mystique Gold and Travis Etienne Jr. to 25. 1 in 25, jersey number. Nice. Winner game start. Derrick Henry. Buccaneers, Jalen Darden. Ben Roethlisberger. Instant impact, Justin Fields. Nice. And King of Cards, Russell Wilson. Wait, when did the winner game start? Is that soon? D-Car, Jalen Waddle, DJ Chark. Ryan Tannehill to 499. And King of Cards, Brett Favre. Kadarius Toney, Javonte Williams. Cortland Sutton to 249. And Illusions of Kyle Pitts. Who's left, Maggie? What teams are left? Tell me, and I'll tell you which ones to buy. Amon Russell Brown, Baker Mayfield. Jamison Crowder. To 25 of 25, Mystique, Travis Etienne Jr. That's quite cool. Shining Stars of Amari Cooper. That's really, really nice. It's like the see-through. Because I shaved today, I wish I shaved yesterday. I'm an idiot. Dwayne Eskridge, Josh Jacobs, Kenneth Gainwell. For the Kansas City Chiefs, God, that is nice. Instant impact, Cornell Powell, numbered 1 of 10. Big old Pachina. And Darren Waller Blue, number 2299. Timmy Tebow, Nico Collins. Shout outs, Nico. Depop Queen. And a dual patch to 25, Deja Vu of Frantar Kenton and Kellen Mond. And King of Cards, Kyler Murray. King of Cards. Travis Kelce, Josh Palmer, Russell Wilson. Kyler Murray to 499. Down, down, down. And King of Cards, Tom Brady. Announced his retirement today. Shout out all his sponsors, all his projects in the stories before it. Rondell Moore, Matt Ryan, Zach Wilson. Carson Wentz to 99. Geez, good Carsons today. Shining Stars, Amari Cooper. Des Fitzpatrick, Jerry Jeudy, Stephon Diggs. Deuce McAllister to 199. 64 and 199, Big Deuce. Illusionist, Mac Jones. Deuce McAllister. That's for the Saints. The Deuce. Steve Fehoko, Elijah Moore. A Jamar Jefferson rookie science to 50 for the Lions. Illusionist, Austin Eckler. Lamar Jackson, Najee Harris, Tom Brady, Javonte Williams. What am I doing? 239. And Illusionist Red to 309, George Kittle. There was someone being mean on Twitch. That is true. Kyle Pitts, De'Ami Brown, Joe Burrow. First impressions, patch auto to just 99 of Pat Freeman for the Steelers. And a Brett Favre clear shots. And finally, Taysom Hill, Michael Carter, Devontae Adams, and we round out with a nice Cam Newton to 499 and a Lamar Jackson to 399, and that is Illusions 6540.